Here, let's go back.
Hey guys, and welcome back to another Tuesday tutorial video, where in this episode we're going to be detailing the engine bay on our 2022 support vehicle, the Volkswagen Tiguan, using the three Autofinesse products I have in front of me: Dressle, Eradicate and Verso, mixed 1 to 5 in a pro detailing bottle. Now, there's a couple of things to make sure you remember to do when cleaning the engine bay. If you've got a sensitive engine bay, bag up all the electronics that could be affected by water ingress, ECUs, coil packs, batteries, etc. But on a modern day engine like this, we've got nothing to worry about. However, a good top tip before starting your detail is to warm your engine for a couple of minutes prior to starting to help loosen off any tough grime to make it easier for you in the process. People are very sceptical about cleaning the engines on their car. They either forget about it or are too apprehensive in taking it on because they're worried about causing damage to electrical systems. But picture it this way: you're driving down the road, it's a storm, you're driving through all that rainwater, and the only place that's going is in your wheel arches and splashing around your engine bay. So you're not going to cause any more water ingress than what you would driving down the road in a storm. So here we are removing the insulation from the underside of the bonnet to prevent it getting soaked with water. Step 1. Rinse the engine bay thoroughly to remove as much of the contamination as possible prior to contact washing. Step 2. Using Eradicate, we're going to spray a liberal amount of the product on each surfaces, bonnet and engine, to allow us to contact wash the engine bay. Using a detailing brush, we're going to agitate the underside of the bonnet and all the different components and all the hard to reach areas of the engine bay to ensure a good finish. Step 4. Using Verso, repeat the same process just to further enhance the cleaning of the engine bay. Now, step 5. Carry out a thorough wash of the engine bay using the pressure washer to remove as much of the cleaning solutions left behind as possible. Step 6. Dry the engine bay thoroughly using compressed air, a leaf blower, to ensure you blow the water out of all the crevices and any electrical contacts if possible, finishing off with a hand dry. Step 7. Spray Dressle thoroughly all over the engine bay, ensuring a good coverage of the product. Step 8. Wipe the excess off on the outside plastics, and then your job done. Stand back and admire your work. Restart your engine to ensure it's dry thoroughly to finish the process. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I hope it was beneficial towards you, and now you'd be more inclined to detailing your engine yourself at home utilising the Autofinesse products that we have here with us now. If you like this video, make sure you like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you for next week's tutorial. Take care. Bye bye.